It's a Friday morning, the office is quiet, and we get an email from a municipality, one of our customers, saying our entire ArcGIS Enterprise system is down after a cyber attack and we need help recovering it. On that first call, I could hear it, the stress, the panic. My mind was kind of going like 100 kilometers a minute, just being like, what could I be possibly walking into? So we get on the call, and we basically have no information. This is a part I enjoy, and I was starting to think in Tetris terms. It's kind of how my brain works when solving problems. Every bit of information is a piece that needs to fit somewhere. Our board is empty, and then so we, as the consultants, we start asking questions. What version of ArcGIS Enterprise are you on? What infrastructure was involved in the cyber attack? Now it's go time. The pieces start falling fast and furious. You kind of have to use your past knowledge and your instincts to place the piece and then keep going piece by piece, step by step to rebuild the system. But also in the back of your mind, you're going, I cannot let these pieces stack too high and then the game is over and then we have to restart. 3 weeks. Every day, another piece, reinstalling the software, rebuilding their maps, republishing their data, piece by piece by piece. And it all kind of comes down to typing one URL in their browser and hitting enter. I'm sitting there holding my breath and I'm just thinking about, this is exactly like Tetris when you've got your board built correctly and you're just praying that the next piece is an L piece to get your Tetris. Waiting for a moment and the URL loads and the system's back online. And then that's your brief moment of victory. But here's the thing about Tetris, the pieces don't stop falling. A couple months later, the team grew and new teammates started coming to me with their questions. That was the moment where I really felt like, instead of just surviving, that was when I found teaching, and that gave me kind of a renewed sense of purpose in this career. My younger self was definitely a lot more shy. Just think back to the kid that would rather sit by themselves with a book, whether that's a book about maps or any other book. In university, if someone wasn't in my contacts, I wasn't answering the phone. But now, I'm always ready, taking calls with customers all across Canada. I really think my younger self would be maybe a bit shocked, but also proud, because I think that person, the talkative, client-facing person, was kind of in me all along. I just needed to get it coaxed out of me. I didn't change who I was. I just found where my shape fits.